Alright, so right now we are focusing on writing a TTA, and the only paragraph we're talking about is the introduction paragraph, and this is a one sentence paragraph, and this sentence is a very important paragraph because it tells you what your whole paper is going to be about, and this is called a thesis, okay? So your thesis is your one sentence in your introduction paragraph, so it has to be a well-written one sentence, so that's what we're practicing using or writing. So we are using the tag it method. T is for title, A is for author, G is for genre, I is for information, T is for thoughts. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to find the tag it inside our prompt that is given to us, and then we're going to write one sentence based off of all the things we color code. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is read our prompt. And it says, authors write in various points of view. Write an essay analyzing how the point of view in the beginning of New Country, New School in a subway story set the mood in both text. Okay? Use evidence from the passage to support your answer. Alright, so, well, we need to find our title. We know that New Country, New School is our title because it is in quotation marks. So that is our title. We need to find our author. It doesn't actually say who our author is, but we know there is an author that we can possibly use because it says authors. And then genre. What type of writing is this? And remember genre from Unit 1. Is it fiction, realistic fiction, science fiction, autobiography, biography? If it doesn't tell you, then don't worry about it. Okay? So, or you can say, like, we know it's only an essay, so that is fine too. So you can either not worry about it, or you can tell me what type of writing it is, okay? Now we need to find the information. So what is the question asking us to do? Well, the first sentence is kind of like a topic sentence, and the last sentence is kind of like a confusion, or a concluding sentence. So the only sentence you should be looking at is this middle sentence right here. Okay, and you need to find out what is it asking us to do. Well, it says write an essay analyzing how the point of view in the beginning of New Country, New School, and a subway story set the mood in both texts. Okay, so the information they're asking us to write about is how the point of view of the two titles set the mood. Now you're taking everything that is in red and blue and you're writing a sentence. And you always start with in the text. In this case, we know it's an essay. In the essay, then you start with your titles. New Country, New School, and a subway station. Okay, we have our genre. We have our titles. You can put the author in there or you don't have to. You can say the author uses the point of view, add your information in the beginning to set the mood by, and then this would be where you would put your answer. We obviously didn't read it, so the only thing you have to add right here is dot 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 because we don't have our thoughts, okay? So that's all you're doing. So notice we say essay here, it says essay here to be read. We give our titles. New Country, New School, a subway station. We say the author. And then we give our information, which is in blue. So your whole thing pretty much is color-coded except for your fill-in words. Okay, let's try one more. Authors appeal to the reader through a variety of techniques. Write an essay analyzing how the setting in both the snow cave and the seawolf reveal the passage's mood. Use evidence from the text to support your answer. Okay, so we're going to tag it. The first thing we're going to look for is our title or titles. So we have two titles, the Seawolf, and we know that because they are in quotation marks, and the Snow Cave. We need to look for our author. Well, Doesn't say the author's name, so we can just say that the author, because we never want to assume that it is someone else. Do we have a genre? We do not, but it says essay again, so we can use that. And then what information is it asking us to write about? And that is only going to be in our second sentence right here. So write an essay analyzing how the setting in both Snow King and Seawolf reveals the passage's mood. So how the setting's a keyword, and reveal the passage's mood. Okay, so here we go. We got to use the red and the blue to write our one sentence introduction. We always start with well, we know it's an essay. In the essays, give me the title, Snow Cave and the Seawolf, which this is a non-restrictive element, which is what we've been working on all year, because it's in between your two commas, so you need your two commas because we're stating the title. The author uses the setting to reveal the mood of the passage by, and we don't know the answer, so we're going to put dot dot dot. So once again, we have our type of rating, we have our two titles, we have not an author name, but we say the author, whoever wrote it, and then we have our information in blue. So this is what you're supposed to do for the rest of the thesis writing prompts, okay? So you're taking the prompt, you're tagging it, and then you're writing your sentence, okay? And this one sentence will be your introduction for your TDA. This is how you will do it for when you write TDAs for me for the rest of the year. Okay, so if you need help, please reach out to me and I can help you again. However, hopefully this kind of helps you understand and break it down for you. All right, bye.